Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. I'm back again today with another fun and quick and easy Christmas project for you. Today we're making these cute pinwheel Christmas ornaments. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, for plenty more holiday sewing and crafting projects. That's where you'll find the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, photos, a link to this video tutorial, and with this pattern, you'll get the printable template. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need a main fabric, fusible fleece, ribbon for hanging, a button, hot glue or fabric glue, a marking pencil, and the printable template. If you don't have the pattern and you'd like to pick it up, it's in my Etsy shop and I've added a link in the description below this video. First, center the fusible fleece with the adhesive side down on the wrong side of your fabric. Following the directions on your fusible fleece packaging, iron it in place and let it cool. Then trim it so the extra fabric has been taken off. Now place the fabric square with the right side facing up. Using a ruler and marking pencil, or the provided template, make a 2 1/4 inch diagonal line from the corner of the fabric towards the middle of the fabric. Draw 2 1/4 inch long lines from the corner towards the middle on each of the 4 corners. The middle of the fabric will have no markings. Using your scissors or pinking shears, cut on all 4 lines. Turn the square over so the fusible fleece side is facing up. Place a glob of hot glue or fabric glue in the middle of the square. Fold every other corner to the middle of the fabric to catch on the glue. Depending on the glue you used, you may need to add additional glue and let it cool or let it dry. Add another dollop of glue to the middle and add the button and let it cool or dry. Flip the pinwheel over. Fold the ribbon in half to make a loop and place the raw edges near the edge of one of the corner points. Glue it in place. And yeah, just that fast, just that quick, just that easy, you have a pinwheel ornament ready for your Christmas tree. If you'd like to see more projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs, for plenty more holiday sewing and crafting projects. See you next time with another project.